Good morning, YouTube. Happy birthday to me. So I just woke up. It's 7:50, and I'm just gonna record a birthday vlog, and yeah. So we're gonna get ready and see what's happening. Okay, so since I recorded the last part, I've been laying in bed for the past hour. So right now I'm walking my dog, one of them. So we're just gonna go walk the dog and we're gonna go walk the dog and we're just gonna listen to music. And you guys love my pink robe. My mom got this for me for my birthday. It's so cute. So yeah, we're just gonna go walk him for a little bit. And yeah. Okay, hey guys. So I'm just gonna finish walking my dog. My best friend Tay, I'm gonna add a photo right here. He's gonna come with me he's gonna come here and help me get ready. But we're gonna get him at 10:15, so I need clean out my house and do all that fancy stuff because we're gonna go run errands after, and we're gonna come back here. I'm already be taking a shower, so he's gonna help me do my hair and stuff like that. So we're just gonna be hanging out, doing all that fun stuff, and yeah. And I might record me cleaning up. I'm probably not gonna record because make the video longer. But yeah, so we're gonna clean up, and then after that I'm gonna hop in the shower. I'm obviously not gonna record that part, but I'm gonna get in the shower, and after that we're gonna throw on some clothes, just throw on, and then yeah. So I'll see you guys in a second. I don't know if you guys have been noticing, but the wall thingy came off, so we had to throw it away, and it kind of looks a hot mess over here, honestly. So but we're gonna continue cleaning. Hey guys, so I just got out the shower, but as of right now I'm gonna wash my face and brush my teeth because in a little bit I'm not gonna get Tay, my best friend. Dude, I'm actually so excited for today. It's gonna be so fun. We're gonna get on the party bus at 1, go to SF, and then we're gonna go to this mall. We're gonna go to this mall, Stonetown Mall, and then we're gonna go to Ocean Beach after. And I'm actually really excited. I mean, I don't know, I'm really excited for this today. I just hope that today goes fine, So, yeah. Honestly, I'm just really hoping that today goes fine and nothing bad happens. Yeah, so, I'm dude, this is a 16. I was supposed to go to a party yesterday, but I think I talked about it. I had a church event to go to, so I didn't go. But dude, it looks like it was so much fun. I need to get off this boat. It's getting in the way. Thank you. And yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna play some music, fast forward this part, and then ooh, it burns, it burns, it burns, it burns. Okay, so my nose piercing broke. Like, I was just washing my face and then it broke. And I actually like this one. It's a treble clef. Dude, not to. But I have no nose piercing that's like that, so I guess I'll just put that on. But it's like I wanted to wear that one, so it's done for, I guess. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna put on pimple patches because what is going on with my face? Like, dude, it's so bad. I'm so upset because why didn't it just break on me today of all days? It could have broke tomorrow. No. Like, that's so, like, I keep jinxing stuff. Like, I keep saying, like, oh, I hope nothing goes bad. It's already going bad. So, I'm just gonna put these on, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, hey guys, so, So, basically, what's going on right now is I just, like, threw some clothes on to go to the store with my mom. I think it's pretty tea, no? Ooh, so tea. I ended up finding my lash glue and stuff. It was in my backpack. It was my other backpack, and this is my sports bag. So I found it. So I'm gonna do my lashes and stuff when I get back with my friend and my mom. But yeah, isn't the hair so tea? Like, I'm gonna like wet it a little bit and stuff, and then, you know, I might do a half up, half down, but I'm not really sure yet. Like, dude, I hate shrinkage. I mean, it's not that long, but it's like, it's still long enough for you to do, like, you know. So, yeah, I'm about to head to the store. I'm gonna record a little bit when I'm out there with my friend, and after that, I guess I'll see you guys back when I'm at home. Say hi.
Hi, Michael.
Oh, this is not going to Michael.
Oh, what the heck?
Okay, so we're at the bank waiting for my mom to, well, she's over there, but you know. But we're going to the bank, and after that we're gonna go to, I think we're going to Safeway. We're going to Safeway and then my grandma's house, and then yeah.
Oh. See, guys, she's not a good recorder. I think it's just, at the end of the day, we should all focus on ourselves and stop ending the camera so early.
I can end anything I want.
And this is where people get fucked up early in the morning. This is the shit. That's that shit. Okay, but guys, listen. It's currently 10:52, and it's currently 10:52, and you know we still gotta, you know, get some little things, but we'll update y'all when we get on that bus. And trust, I need that from Zion, so it doesn't matter. Zion is the first enemy for myself. Because, like, oh no, I want to, man. Oh, shut up. Anyway.
Okay, we're ending this video.
Yeah.
Just for like the whole of what? Just for them to have at the beach.
This is everything we got. We got it.
And I don't know how long it's gonna take to build that volleyball thing. Because I said we needed to prepare it prior.
Thank you.
Okay, so we got
this.
We got this on the for the
Like
book.
our video camera?
Yeah.
I would have brought my AirPod. For what? For the volleyball. I mean, they have an AirPod.
He's trying to dress better than me for my party.
No, I always do.
Oh. That's soda pocket.
Because, like, look.
Oh my Tay, that's so bad.
Wait, bro, look, bro. Bro, what the heck?
Okay, we're gonna found Uno No Mercy, and we got a lot of stuff. We got like oh, this one we got. We got these plates. We got he's buying me this bag for the beach, and then we have all these sunglasses. Tay, stop moving the cart. Oh my gosh. And then we got sunglasses.
That's hella sunglasses, bro.
Okay, but there's a lot of people going.
Okay, but let's go because I'm.
And then we're gonna like draw Sharpie on it and like write stuff. And then we got silly string. And then what's this? Oh, we got birthday candles.
Next, we don't need them for all.
Yes we do. It's my birthday.
Cash out, no bar, AMG outside, but without you, on rainy days stay away. When you come around, please tell me, baby,
to the mall and we're just like hanging out. My friend, she messed up my lashes, so I'm kind of like trying to fix it and stuff. But we're at the mall, we're getting food and stuff. So we're trying to be on nonchalant. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look at all this stuff. I love this store. It's my new favorite store. Of this Asian market, and I love it so much because look at this. I'm gonna get this Fugler. It's only like $14, and I love it so much. My boyfriend's currently running away from me because he hates when I come into these stores. Because look how cute everything is. It's so cute. Like, I love it so much, and I can't wait to come back in here. Like, genuinely, I can't wait to come back in here.
Let me find her.
Let's take our daily photo.
Hey, how about I kick you in your ass?
How about you shut the fuck up and mind your fucking business when Black starts talking to you?
You know what? You know what? You're in my fucking phone, you fuck ass. I'm doing it.
Nigga, you good? Why?
So I'm at the beach, obviously, and I can ask her. I'm at the beach, and we were just playing volleyball, and I think I'm having a lot of fun, other than like some small things. I'm having a lot of fun, but I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Bye. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I didn't really record anything that happened at that party bus. Oh, I mean, anything that happened during the beach or after. But I will say I had a lot of fun. There was a lot of ups and downs, really, with like people being upset, and then like it kind of threw me off, and then like it was like a weird vibe. But like, you know how parties are, like it's awkward at first and then it gets better later. Literally, I took off my lashes and I threw it on my boyfriend as soon as we got on the bus. And yeah, it was like, I had a lot of fun. But as soon as we got on the bus back, like I said, I took off my lashes, put my hair in a ponytail, put on a sweater, some pants. And yeah, so everyone was just hanging out in the lobby of my apartment. And you know, like, we were just like hanging out, waiting for people to get picked up. My mom just took my boyfriend, my best friend, Tay, and two other people home. And they were just like, my boyfriend and my best friend Tay, they were walking the dogs with me. So, well, they were walking the first dog with me. But, you know, I had a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will add a snippet of what I get at the end. Hopefully. I'm praying. Oh my gosh, I also need to do a haul. Ooh, this is so bad. And I'm gonna do a haul too about everything I got from the mall and who got me what and things like that. So yeah, it's gonna be so much fun, and I'll see you guys soon. Mwah. Okay, so this is what I got for my birthday. My friend Ethan got me this Monster High Cupid doll. I bought this at the mall. It's a Valentine's Fugler. I need to take it out the package. I got this from the Dollar Tree for like random stuff.
I mean, for real.
This is my tiara that I had earlier that my mom got me. You can ignore the background noise. I got this pair of earrings. It was like get 3 for $25, and my boyfriend and my best friend got it. I don't know whose sunglasses they are. And then it's my wallet, and then my boyfriend bought me this bag. Oh my gosh, I literally have a bracelet somewhere, and I don't know how it went. I got this volleyball for my birthday, but you guys already saw that. You already saw that. This is like, I'll show you like what's inside my basket. This one my boyfriend got me. Some of this I already had. Like, I just put some stuff from the beach in here. So he got me these 2 bags of chips. Here, let me like, I had to put my stuff back, but I also have this Garfield blanket, but I had brought that for the beach. Okay, so my boyfriend got me this pink pineapple sunrise candle from Bath and Body Works. It actually smells really good. He got me this like squishy thingy. It's so cute. He got it from like one of those cutesy stores that I was talking about earlier. He got me a new detangling brush because I'm tired of detangling with the brushes I'm sure my siblings. He got me like face masks. He also got me skincare oil, coconut, and then he gave me one of his shirts, and then he also got me a spa headband. I actually been needing this. And then he also got me lip gloss, and I think that's all from inside this basket. So we're gonna like my mom made me these flowers for my birthday, so that's there. And then this is the dress that I was wearing today, but like the thing I'm showing now is like my beach bag, but what's it called? I got this off of Shein. I need to put it back on to record my opening my last gifts. I need to get ready I'm not even gonna like, I don't even know. So my boyfriend thought that he left his shirt at the beach, but I have it, so I have to give it back to him tomorrow. This is my shirt from the beach. My birthday girl sash, and then we have Uno, and then my boyfriend also got me this cute bracelet. He had me pick it out at the beach. I mean, not at the beach, like outside. And then he also got me this, I don't know where it went, but he got me like this cute mirror, like this pink mirror, like portable mirror, and I really like it. So that's what I got from right here. And yeah.
Good evening, Zizi. It's the end of your birthday day.
It was so much fun.
Oh, I'm glad. We can read your card.
Okay. Zizi, happy 16th birthday. I'm so proud of you and all you do, from sports to academics to all of your talents. I hope you enjoy this next year and continue to grow into an amazing young woman. You're everything I could have imagined. I miss you being so small, but I am so honored to be your mama and help you navigate life. I love you so much, Mom. Happy birthday, Zaida from Bubba's. Happy birthday from Zamaya. Oh my gosh. Who wrote, oh, Dad. Happy 16th birthday, Zaida. My Zaida baby girl, Dad loves you so much. You changed Dad's world into greatness. The day you came into this world, you're very intelligent, and everything you grasp, and keep up the great achievements you're conquering. Love you, Dad. Cannot be crying right now.
Wait. All right, Zizi, number 16.
Okay, let's. Okay, before I open it, this is kind of heavy, so I'm guessing that this is a
PS5.
PS5 is insane. I'm guessing it's a, I think it's like maybe 2 Monster High Dolls. Monster High Dolls or My Little Pony set.
Ew.
Don't look, just pull it out.
I'm scared. What is this? Wait, I need to...
Told you there's some props.
What is this?
Try to flip it over the other way. Put it on the table, maybe.
Free pizza.
Is this what I think it is? Wait, it is! Oh, you got me a MacBook? Are you being serious? Thank you. Yay! Oh my goodness, I've been waiting.
Okay, now you can get your cover and your laptop stuff back.
I really thought that was for my Chromebook.
Yeah, I had to play it off.
I was like looking at it. I was trying to put it on my Chromebook. I was like, this is too big. I didn't know. I was like, how did I tell her that this is too big? Okay, so I literally just got my last gift, and it is a MacBook. Like, I'm about to sign into it right now, and I'm literally so excited, dude. I've actually been asking for a MacBook for a while. I didn't think she was actually gonna get it for me though. You see how cooked my lashes are? That's from all the lash glue. But yeah, I just like to say thank you for watching. Yeah. Okay.
Wait, so what are you talking
And yeah, thank you for watching the vlog. Bye.
Oh.